Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify scheduled charging times using NissanConnect easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify scheduled charging times using NissanConnect, begin by opening the NissanConnect app on your smartphone. Log in to your NissanConnect account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Select the charging option from the menu. You will see a summary of your vehicle's charging status. Look for the Scheduled Charging section on this page. Tap on Scheduled Charging to access your current settings. Here, you will find details about your scheduled charging times. If you have set up multiple charging schedules, you can view each of them here. To edit a scheduled charging time, select the time you wish to modify. Make your desired changes to the start time or end time. Confirm your changes by tapping the Save button. If you need to add a new charging schedule, locate the Add Schedule option. Input the new charging times as required. Again, make sure to tap Save to finalize your new schedule. To ensure everything is set correctly, review your scheduled charging times once more. Check that all changes appear as intended in the Scheduled Charging section. Finally, exit the app once you've verified your settings are accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.